Imagine looking out of your window and seeing the curvature of the Earth below, the blackness of space above, and the faint twinkle of stars in the distance. For centuries, only astronauts could experience such awe-inspiring views. But today, space tourism is turning this dream into reality for ordinary travelers. Welcome to Cosmic Chronicles, where we explore the mysteries of the universe and the future of humanity beyond Earth. In today's video, we're diving into the rise of space tourism and what you can expect over the next 50 years. 2024 has marked the beginning of a new era of commercial space tourism. Companies like Virgin Galactic, Blue Origin, and SpaceX are leading the way, offering suborbital flights that take you just beyond the Kármán line, the boundary of space. With prices still high, ranging from $250,000 to millions per ticket, these trips are accessible only to the ultra-wealthy, for now. But as competition intensifies, ticket prices will drop, and technologies will evolve. What we're seeing now is just the start of what space tourism could become. Over the next decade, space tourism will likely become more mainstream. Expect to see more frequent suborbital flights, each lasting only a few minutes, but long enough for passengers to experience weightlessness and gaze upon Earth from space. By 2030, the number of commercial spaceports could increase, with more launches happening around the globe. Companies will refine their technology, improving the safety, comfort, and accessibility of space travel. With reusable rockets becoming more efficient, a 10-minute trip into space could soon cost less than a high-end luxury vacation. Part 3. Beyond suborbital. Stays in space hotels. 2035 to 2045. By the mid-2030s, space tourism will go beyond just quick suborbital trips. Space hotels will start becoming a reality. Several companies, including Orbital Assembly Corporation, are already designing hotels that can orbit the Earth, giving visitors the chance to stay in space for days or even weeks. These hotels will offer more than just views of Earth. They'll have amenities like restaurants, fitness centers, and observation decks. Guests will get to enjoy activities like spacewalks, virtual reality space tours, and even low-gravity sports. As the decade progresses, prices will continue to drop. What was once an impossible dream could soon be an expensive but achievable vacation for the middle class. Part 4. Lunar Tourism and Beyond, 2046 to 2070. Now let's fast forward to the late 2040s and beyond. Lunar tourism could become the next big leap. Imagine flying to the moon, landing on its surface, and walking in the low gravity while gazing at Earth, 238,000 miles away. Private companies and space agencies like NASA are already working on plans to create permanent habitats on the moon. These bases could serve as destinations for longer stays, where tourists can explore lunar craters, visit research stations, and even participate in scientific missions. But why stop at the moon? As technology advances, the next frontier could be Mars. Though still decades away, Mars tourism might not be as far-fetched as it sounds. By 2070, the infrastructure for human missions to the Red Planet could be in place, and adventurous travelers could be lining up for the journey of a lifetime. Part 5. What does it mean for the average person? So, what does all this mean for the average person? While space tourism may seem out of reach today, it's on the path to becoming more affordable and accessible. As the technology develops and costs come down, more people will have the opportunity to experience space travel, turning it from a luxury for the few into a dream within reach for many. In the next 50 years, space tourism could transform the way we think about travel and adventure. Our children, and even grandchildren, could one day take vacations not just to exotic places on Earth, but to the moon, space stations, and beyond. Outro. The future of space tourism is exciting and full of possibilities. We're standing on the edge of a new age, one where space is no longer the final frontier, but the next destination on your travel bucket list. Thanks for joining us today on Cosmic Chronicles, where we explore the vast expanse of space and humanity's future among the stars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep looking up.